So welcome back again for another video, and for this video we will do a full draw of Mythic SwitchBlade.
Get ready.
Initially, I don't have any plans on getting the SwitchBlade, but since there is a 2x CP event, I decided to get the Mythic SwitchBlade. So I'll take advantage of the 2x CP event. As you can see, I've already draw 5 times, so it cost me 590 CP. So this is the 2x squad point event. So let's take the $49.99. So it cost 2,490 pesos. It's Philippine pesos. So let's take that one. Okay.
Daddy!
Okay. We already have 8,001 CP. So let's roll 500 CP. Okay. Let's roll 800 CP. Okay. So let's draw 1,800 CP. SwitchBlade, my God. So 2,700 CP. The SwitchBlade, my God. So we run out of CP, so let's purchase cut points. So let's take this $24.99. It costs 1,250 pesos, Philippine pesos. On top buy.
Daddy!
Okay. Successful. Let's go back again. You already know the last part is this Mythic SwitchBlade, which costs 4,500 CP. Go! Quit. So this is our second mythic gun. So my first mythic gun is the right deck, and this will be my second mythic gun. So hard to unlock. Okay. So, I already have 280 mythic cards. I'm planning to upgrade it until I get the kill effect. Since we already have 280 mythic cards from our last upgrade of the Mythic Nautilus. So let's upgrade it. The level 1 upgrade will be these attachments. So we already have 280, so let's upgrade. So the level 1 are these attachments. Continue. So level 2 would cost me 250. So the remaining CP will be for an upgrade. So that's 3,990. Okay. I'm liking up. Let's go back. So kill effect 50. Okay, we already have now the kill effect. What's this? This is the reason why I bought the Mythic SwitchBlade. It's because of that kill effect. The slashing kill effect will trigger after you kill enemies 5 times. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to kill 5 enemies in order to activate the slashing kill effect. So I really like this slashing sound and the slashing effect. That's why I purchased this Mythic SwitchBlade. So this is the basic kill effect looks like. It's very simple. So the total card points that we used for the full draw of Mythic SwitchBlade is 10,890 CP. So if you purchase it in game, it will cost $102. And if you purchase it through discounted shops, it will cost 4,635 pesos. So in US dollars, it's $82.15. And if you purchase the Mythic SwitchBlade using the 2 times card points event, it will cost you 4,230 pesos. It's Philippine pesos, and in US dollars, it's only at $74.98. So it's a lot cheaper, and I still got 1,700 cut points that I used in leveling it up to level 2. So that's the cost of full draw of Mythic SwitchBlade here in the Philippines. If you like this video, please do subscribe for more gaming tutorials, DIY tutorials, team mapping tutorials, and reviews and other content. So that's it for this video, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.